But in this case, we just need the Bluetooth. We press it as well, so we will make sure that the Bluetooth is on. If it's not on right now, like right now, then we will just turn it on so the Bluetooth of the vehicle is on. Then we try to connect the device, but first we need to know how many phones are already in the like is registered there. So right now it has a capability of 5 individual phones. So right now Galaxy S9 is being there. So if it's not our phone, it's someone else, and we want to just delete it, we just push it down for a few seconds. It starts connecting it, but if the phone is not here, so it's not going to connect. Then we can actually go to the select devices, and here now again chose the Galaxy S9, and then we can actually delete it, and so we can have the we can free up the list. So when it's deleted, we need to make sure that our phone is also our phone Bluetooth is also connected. So in this case, I will just connect I will make sure that my Bluetooth is on. I start to connect device, and then I said add new. So you start searching, and in my phone also I'm started scanning to find the car. So the IP of the system is there, and the name of the IP of the car is also showing in the screen with the PIN number and the device and the name of the vehicle. In this case, my car, and it would be BBF88. So if we find it here, if we didn't find my car, we can maybe see it as the IP address, but at this point we see the my car, so we just chose my car, and it starts synchronizing. So we have the vehicle sends us a security code 228806. So we can check here that we got the right security code here, 228806 on my phone, and then we allow access to your contact. We allow access to our contact and call history, and then we hit the button of pair, start pairing with the car. So I took a bit of long here to explain. So it's actually disabled it. I will do it another time. I will scan it another time. So I find out my car, I'll pair it again. Again, the security code pairs, and then start pairing. So we access the messages, and Bluetooth connection is successful. We have the Bluetooth settings here, as well as the favorites, call history, and phone books. And right now our phone is here. You can check also see the reception on my phone and how much battery I left, and I have not much battery. So that's how we connect our Bluetooth to INFINITI InTouch system.